Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to implement Infinitepay.io in a mobile app. Integrating Infinitepay.io can help you handle payments seamlessly within your app. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the API or developer section. This is where you'll find the necessary tools and documentation for integration. Obtain your API keys from infinitepay.io. These keys are essential for connecting your mobile app to the payment platform. In your mobile app development environment, install the infinitepay.io SDK or libraries. This usually involves adding the relevant packages or dependencies to your project. Configure the SDK with your API keys, follow the documentation to set up authentication, and connect your app to infinitepay.io's payment services. Integrate payment features into your app such as payment forms, checkout processes, and transaction handling. Use the SDK to enable transactions and process payments. Test the integration thoroughly using the sandbox or test environment provided by the infinitepay.io. Ensure that payments are processed correctly and that your app handles transactions smoothly. Once testing is complete, deploy your app to the App Store or distribute it to the users. Monitor transactions and handle any issues that arise using infinitepay.io's dashboard. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to implement infinitepay.io in a mobile app. This integration helps you manage payments seamlessly within your app, enhancing your user experience. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.